I need you to listen to me. This is important. A year ago, my dad had a heart attack. It was the scariest moment of our lives. One minute, he was laughing with us at dinner, and the next, he was on the floor, gasping for air. It was really, really fast. We immediately called an ambulance, and thankfully, he made it to the hospital just in time. That night changed everything. Now I realize how fragile life is and how important it is to listen to our bodies. My dad didn't have major symptoms before that day, just fatigue, a little shortness of breath, but nothing that screamed heart problem. So it really took us by surprise, and such a terrifying one. Since then, we all changed in our lifestyle. He's eating healthier, walking every morning, and never misses a doctor's appointment. As a family, we've become more conscious about our health because heart disease doesn't just affect one person, it affects everyone who loves them. I'm sharing this because maybe someone watching this needs a reminder. Don't ignore the signs. Go to that checkup, talk to your family about heart health. The more we talk about it, the more lives we can save.